Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Cash App to pay your rent or bills easily and securely. If you're looking for a convenient way to manage your payments, Cash App is a great option. First, make sure you've downloaded Cash App and set up your account. If you're new to Cash App, simply download the app, sign up with your email or phone number, and link your bank account or debit card. Once everything is set up, you'll be ready to send payments. Before you pay your rent or bills, ensure that you've had enough funds in your Cash App balance. You can either add money to your Cash App account by linking your bank or debit card, or making a payment directly using your linked card without transferring money. Now let's walk through how to make a payment. Open Cash App and tap the dollar amount that you need to pay. Then tap Pay at the bottom of the screen. Here, enter the Cash App username or phone number of your landlord, rental agency or service provider. You can also scan their Cash App QR code if they've provided one. To make sure your landlord or service provider knows what the payment is for, be sure to add a note. For example, write rent for October or electricity bill. This makes the payment clear and keeps things organized. Once everything looks good, double check the amount and the recipient and hit pay. Your payment will go through instantly if you're using your Cash App balance for a linked debit card. And finally, remember to save the confirmation of your payment. You can easily view and download your payment history from Cash App, which is useful if you need to prove that you paid your rent or bill. And that's it. Now you know how to use Cash App to pay your rent or bills quickly and easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and leave a comment if you have any more questions. Thanks for watching. Bye.